Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashana here, back with a new video, and today we are going to be cleaning makeup brushes. Yes, cleaning makeup brushes. I haven't done a cleaning makeup brushes video in so long, like it's been forever. So I have a new method. I've been using a new product, so I want to just, you know, let y'all know. I just got my nails done and they're like glittery. Oh my god, come on, focus, baby. Thank you. Nice and glittery. Okay, so now first off, I'm gonna have some napkins here. I'm gonna have a towel to lay whatever I clean on. We're gonna have, this is the secret ingredient. I freaking love this. This is super duper duper. Nah, it's not super duper, but for cleaning some makeup brushes, it's a little pricey, like low key. I paid for this. I bought this on Amazon. I paid $30 for this. The girl I watch on YouTube, her name is Nicole Guerrero. She possessed me to buy this. I've seen this around for a very long time, but I was like, it's super expensive and I should just do another alternative. But I'm about to show y'all why y'all should buy this. So we have dirty brushes, of course. These are all my brushes. This is my whole brush collection right here. Yes, I do plan on buying more brushes in the near future. But for right now, I can't even keep the ones I have clean. So I think I need to just, you know, chill for a little bit. So now let's get started. You would need like a little cup to pour it in. This is a beat up cup. So all you need, I can't even open it. All you need is this much. See that? That much, maybe a little bit more. Bam, right? All you need is this much. We're gonna see how much brushes we could clean with that little bit, okay? It reminds me low-key of mouthwash, don't it? Looks like Listerine. Okay, so we're gonna take a brush. Watch me clean this dirty brush in like seconds, okay? So we're gonna dip this. I should have 2 towels, but we're gonna lay this out. I don't want to use a rag. I'd rather use napkins because it's more. So I'm gonna dip this in this. We don't have to drench it. And watch how much product come off of this brush. See that? And look how clean that is. See that? 10 seconds, okay? So we're going to see, it's 1:52. We're going to see how many brushes we can clean, and let's see when 2:15 hits, okay? So now let's see what time it is. Okay, so it's 1:52. Come on, focus. It's 1:52, and we're gonna see how many brushes we can clean by 2:15. Okay guys, so I'm done. It's 1:58 and I have cleaned 16 brushes in 6 minutes. So if that's not a steal, I don't know what to tell you. Yes, this is super duper expensive. It's $30, but all you need is a little bit, and that little bit did 16 brushes. Like say if you have, all your brushes are dirty, but you need like at least 16 brushes to clean real quick. And on top of that, you don't have to wait for them to dry. They are not soaked. All you do is wipe them off and then you can use it. This has a unique smell. It smells like it does have chemical in it. However, it says it's bacteria free, quick drying, rinse free formula. So you don't have to rinse it. All you gotta do is wash it, let it dry. So I advise you, if you want to do your makeup at night, like in the morning when you wake up, wash your brushes, so about time you want to do your makeup, then these will be dry and you won't smell the products on the brushes. But honestly, it's quick, it's easy, especially when you're doing makeup tutorials like me, or you're doing makeup on other people. This will be your best friend. I will be purchasing a new one, not soon, but you know, whenever this runs out, and I'm going to get the bigger one off Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box if you want to purchase it. I approve. Okay, well, that's the end of this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. I hope you all enjoy the holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year if I don't see you guys again, because of course I'm gonna see you guys again. But yeah, no, I love you guys so much, and see you guys in my next video. Laters.